Hello my sweet friends and welcome to Coffee with Nadia. Today I'm doing a buffalo check black and white beautiful farmhouse fall tablescape. It's going to be super simple and on the budget. This video is brought to you by the Decor lovers. I'm the host for this month and I'm also being joined by Stephanie, Tamara, Tammy, and Lenny. I will have their channels in the description box below, along with the playlist for this collaboration. Now, let's get into our tablescape. I'm starting with this beautiful tablecloth that I got at Home Goods, and this is just a simple black and white buffalo check. Next, I'm going to put on my Rae Dunn Family Runner. I'm going to be using these very beautiful white placemats, and they're simple, they're not that expensive. I paid $7.99 for 8 of them at Ross. The chargers I'll be using are these buffalo check ones that I got at Hobby Lobby, and these are $1.99 each, which is a fairly amazing price. If you have a lot of buffalo check on your table and kind of trying to figure out how to make it look cleaner, make sure that all your lines kind of go in the same direction. So my chargers are going in the same direction as my tablecloth. For my dinner plate, I will be using this beautiful Gibson one. This is everyday china, and I did thrift it for under $1 per plate this year. Next, for salad, I'm going to be using these bowls, and these are by Swiss. I will link it in the description box, but I also have this in my Amazon store. So I'm just going to put that right on top. Inside each bowl, I am going to put this pumpkin, and I got this at the Dollar Tree. Went to a few Dollar Trees, but I got quite a bit of these beautiful little buffalo check pumpkins. Next, I'm bringing in my napkin, my flatware, and my galvanized ring holders, or napkin ring holders. These are so pretty, and these I got on Amazon. As I said, I'll link it in, and it's in my Amazon store. Then for china, I just have my daily Oneida one. And then for a napkin, this is my favorite company, also on Amazon. Not sponsored or anything, of course. But it's by Calicut, and I absolutely love this brand because the napkins are like not thin. They're this good quality. They're cotton. They're really, really nice. All right, so I'm going to fold it in half, and then I'm going to just put the napkin upside down and fold it in half so this end is hidden. And then on my half, I'm just going to put my knife and my fork, kind of crisscross them, and then put my ring holder right here, my napkin ring holder from the bottom, kind of bring it up. And this is what we're gonna have. So just folding my napkin in half, putting a fork and knife inside. I'm gonna crisscross it just a little bit, and then putting on my galvanized ring holder. Just hard to do in the air, you guys. And then these iced tea glasses, and they have like this black accent, and these are from the Dollar Tree. Those are from Home Goods, by the way, the clear ones, but these are from the Dollar Tree. Now for a very simple centerpiece, I'm using this greenery garland from Hobby Lobby. It's $19.99 and I got it at 50% off. So I paid $10 for this beautiful lamb's ear. And these come in 2 sections. So let me take these off and I'm going to lay them right on the center of our table. As you can see, I laid it out in a wave, kind of. In between the greenery, guess what I have? I have more of my buffalo check pumpkins, and I'm just going to place them around the table. All right, my friends, this is it for my beautiful and elegant farmhouse tablescape that is simple, clean, and ready for fall. And of course, we're going to finish off with some beautiful close-ups of this tablescape.